website that can replace you in future. Number 1, Dora. This website is used to create website. It's an AI that you can use to generate or create website. Just by typing a prompt, you get a full-blown website. This can replace you in future. A web designer will do some codings, write program for him to, it will take him some days to bring out a perfect website. But right here, with a few coding, few prompts you give here, without coding, you will get a website. This can replace you, your job in future. Now, maybe you can watch the video that explains everything here by clicking at this point. You watch the video that explains how this website works and how you can use it to create a website. It's an AI. You can use to create a website. Now, give you some explanation about how this AI works. Just prompt is a sight beyond imagination. One prompt away, just a prompt, you get a full-blown website. A little adjustment, but your site will be on. You type your prompt for your landing page. You type your prompt, and your site will come up. So this is one of the websites that, or should I say, one of the AI that can replace you in the future. Another one is Clipgoat. Have you heard of this site? This AI? Now, we use this to create short form video clips. Wow, it's very fast. Very, very fast. When others will be waiting time, you create lots of video clips, short form, in seconds. This is another website that you need to familiarize yourself if you want to start creating short videos for YouTube. You use it for short videos. Very, very effective. Yeah, you get the clips simple, but it's creating made simple. It's a Clipgoat gives you a full set of tools to turn YouTube videos, Reddit thread, and AI generated stories into viral TikToks, Reel, and Short, fully customized and scheduled in minutes. Wow. They generate up to 20 TikToks from a single YouTube video. Now you use your YouTube video and generate up to 20 TikTok videos. Wow, it's very amazing. And not just any kind of video, you will love the video. The kind of videos this you generate from this site, they are amazing. They are amazing. You won't believe it. It will cut it professionally in a way that you will see it professionally. You think it's a professional, somebody who is an expert in video editing that did it. That's why I said, ready? This is one of the sites that will replace you in future. So, this is it. So just write or paste a story, get a clip. You can go to ChatGPT and get your story. And from that story, you bring it to this website, and this AI will just create your short, your video clips, 20 or more as you want it. Wonderful. So this is one of the websites that can replace you in future. Now let's go to the third one. You'll be wondering, what the third one is. Do you know making beautiful videos can be difficult? Yes. You say no, you can use AI, text to image generator. There's in every text to image generator there are levels. There are levels. Some of the images you get from some of them with. So this site will help you create beautiful video, beautiful images. Now let's go. What's the site? They make beautiful images with the magic of AI. It creates winning product pages, ads, social media posts, and more within minutes. No design skill needed. You don't need to know Photoshop, CorelDRAW. With this, you can just create beautiful social media posts, ads, images. You can use to advertise some of your products. Now, this AI you can start it for free. You can start for free, though they are not free anyway, but you can start them for free. Now look at a bottle of image. You can change the promotional food images. Let's watch the slide. Now you can remove formula black shirt. You can remove the shirt. This is a wonderful. Now if you look at it, you can remove those images. You can remove those objects there. Wonderful. This is one of the websites. Now you can see you want to make beautiful video that adverts people will love. You want to remove objects from an image like what you just see now. You can remove background. You can add another background to the background. This is lovely. So this is one website that can replace you in future. So another website that will shock you is the next one. Look at it. This site here can replace you. It is used to design apps. Used to design professional app, not just anyhow app. While a coder, app designer, somebody who uses code, programming, writing of code to design and build app will be struggling. You will just use some minutes, some hours, and use prompt to create your app. Isn't that lovely? Look at it, some apps you can create. There's some apps already created. Samples of apps you can create here. You can clone this app now. If you want to clone this one, you want to create an app like this, copy this prompt. Similar app, you just copy this prompt, you clone it with this prompt here. You can clone this app and get something like this. So you can still come to, maybe you like this one, you can still clone it and create app like this, simple, while somebody will be doing coding, writing program, breaking his head in trying to do programming. For you will just take minutes, days. Your app will be wonderful. So These are some of the websites that can replace you in future. Now let's go to the last one. The last one, I like this app so much. Now the names of this app are in the description of this video. They are not affiliate link, they are the exact link. Just click and go into this app and open an account. They are not free, but I tell you, they are worth it. The money spent is worth it. The next one is paper animator. Now it's just like, look at it. You see the image here. It has changed this image. You remove the background, make it like a paper animator. Look at the image. Now you can see how it works. You can see how it has turned this monkey or chimpanzee to paper animator. You can upload an image of your choice. You just click on launch app. You can launch app. You can launch the app. Now you can come here. You can choose, or from this point or here, you choose an image. Want to animate or do paper animation. When you click on it, you will select image from your system, your computer. Now let's look at image you can use. Now these are some AI generated images I created sometimes. Let me see. Let's use this. Click on it. Now look at it. It's a used image. Now you can change. This is 720. This one, the next one is for Pro. Paid people. If you upgrade to Pro, use it now. You can change the dimension. This is for short or TikTok or shorts. You can change it to landscape for video, YouTube. Let's go back to this. Now this is the image. You can see it has just turned into paper animation image. This is how you can use this. You can now, let's say, let's type here. Let's say a big monkey. Let's click on generators. Now it has changed big monkey. These are what you can do with this AI. So now if you have gotten anything from this exposure, just click on the like button, like this video, make any comment and I will answer you, then subscribe. You can as well click on the bell notification. Now if you want me to make a complete video on how to use this 5 websites, I would like to comment in the comment section. Then I want you to create a full video on how to use this site. But some of these sites, they are tutorials, videos you can learn from. Like on one of them, you can go down. You see, one has a video tutorial. So if you want me to create a video on how you can use these 5 websites, how you can start from the scratch to use them, then let me know in the comment section. I only just want to let you know that these are the sites that can replace you in the future. They are very powerful. So what you do for this site not to replace you is for you to know how to use them and start using this same site to create themes, designs, create functions, create images, beautiful images, create app, paper animation, create short form videos. Start learning how to use this site. This is what will make you relevant. This site will replace you when you don't know how to use them. But when you learn how to use them, you will be the master of the site. So that's how we are going to wrap it up for today. If you have gotten something or you like this exposure, this revelation of this site that I just showed to you now, please just like this video, comment, then subscribe. Well, don't forget, if you want me to make a full video on each of these sites, let me know. So I'll be bringing another website or app that can replace in future my subsequent video. Just make sure you always visit this website. You will learn a lot of things that will make you become a good hustler and make you earn money on the internet. So see you in the next video. See you.